Hello, hello, and welcome to Wonderful Wednesday at Westport. Hey, y'all, I'm back. Glad to be back.
And we're glad to have her back.
Thank you, thank you. We are looking forward to a lot of things we have going on this summer. We were just going over the calendar and the schedule, and we want you to be aware of lots of different things. First of all, we've got our good friend, incredible quilter, Kim Fong, coming in on May 23rd. May 23rd, and she is going to teach.
She's going to teach you how to design your designs for your quilt. In other words, when you're doing a sit down at your sewing machine or you're on your long arm and you're not using any computerized type edge to edge quilting, then she's going to help you learn how to put the best designs in the best spots on your quilt to make it look fabulous. And Kim is a phenomenal quilter, and she has won many awards with her quilting.
Yeah.
And she uses no automation whatsoever.
Yeah.
She does it all freehand.
And she's really sweet and really fun.
Yeah, she is.
You'll love her. We
Yeah,
all
she's
do.
a sweetheart.
So we encourage you. That class is filling up quickly. We only have 3 spots left. So if you're interested, go ahead and get signed up. Just go to backwithauthority.com, classes and events, and go to May 23rd.
Right, and just click on it and it'll tell you all about it and gives you an opportunity to sign up. So, and then we also have another quilt over here that's going, it's a table runner, and it's going to be taught by Debbie Deason. And Debbie is a certified Judy Niemeyer instructor. And this is a fabulous table runner, and just look how beautiful that is. And it's going to have some paper piecing in it, some different design techniques, and it's going to be a great class too. And if you're looking for something that's different and where you learn a lot, then you want to take one of these classes or both of them.
Absolutely. So this one was supposed to be on Thunder Day, but we thought that wasn't a great idea, so we moved it. So now it's May 18th and June 29th. It's a 2-part class. So you'll start, you'll go home and work on it, and then you'll come back on June 29th to finish it up.
Yeah, right. And it's Debbie has done a lot of prep work on this, and it's really very unique.
I think this is actually done up in boutiques.
Yeah, it is.
And I think that's something Judy Niemeyer tends to use.
Yeah,
boutiques,
it is.
I think. So it's quite lovely.
Yeah. And then we have all the rest of our classes in there, the regular classes that we teach. We put a quilting class in there, so if you're new to quilting and you want to learn how to quilt, this class, I'm teaching it. I'm Barbara, by the way, in case you don't know me.
And I'm Linda.
And this class, it'll teach you from A to Z how to make a quilt.
So you make a complete table topper in the class. It's from 10 to 5. And we sometimes call it beginning quilting or quilting 101, but we've had lots of requests for it, so we're just letting you know it is available.
Right.
And it's on our website right now to be signed up for.
Right. And then in June, we're going to put the computer class in. Yeah. Well, anyway, check the website for the computer class.
We've been working on this today, so we're not sure what's in there and what's not in there. We also have Cindy Hogan, who is a brother educator, coming in June 8th. I think it is, right. June the 8th, for a side hustle seminar.
It's called Power Up Your Side Hustle. So if you've been thinking about getting into business doing embroidery, she is an excellent teacher, and she has been in this business for a long time. And she will tell you exactly how to set up your own business and how to run it and how to make money with it.
Absolutely, and she's been doing this for a long time. She used to come to the smocking shop and do events for us. So this gal really knows what she's doing. So we would love to, and she's fun and cute and lots of great ideas. And we will have hopefully all 3 of the PRs, the PR1X, the PR680W, and the PR1055 Pro, whatever it is. Anyway, so we'll have our single needle, our 6 needle, and our 10 needle machines for you to try out and have a good look at.
Right, you'll have an opportunity to be able to try them out and see how they work, and she'll do a complete detail on how these things work for everybody.
I think it's an all-day class.
It is.
And we will provide lunch.
Right.
And we'll have door prizes. It's fun and festive, plus you'll learn a lot. If you already have a PR,
you'd want to come.
Yeah,
and
it
take
would help you too.
Yeah,
So.
and she's going to give a lot of tips and tricks on how to use them and how to make the most of them. So even if you don't want to do a business, you can still learn and be educated about how to use it better.
Alrighty, and our the other thing we want to tell you is we've just gotten back from Paducah. I think they had a great week. I didn't get to go, but Barbara said it was wonderful, and Russell said we had a good week. But we do have some of the the classroom machines, the Bernina 570s, available that we brought back. That if you're interested, please come see us because these will not last. We just have a few left.
Right, and there's a lot of benefits for that Bernina too. And the big bobbin is one of the best things about
Absolutely. This is has the big bobbin that holds 70% more. It has the dual feed built in. It has the hover, all the things that quilters want. This machine has. You can get it with or without embroidery. It's just in it. The adding on the embroidery is like minimal. So that's really it's worth investigating. So if you are interested, come in and we'll show you the machine. And if you decide,
and listen, the price that is on that thing is just ridiculous.
I don't even think we can say it on the air.
Well, that's why I didn't tell anybody. But it's several dollars less than it's the retail price on it, and we sell it as a classroom machine, and you reap the benefit from it because it's a phenomenal machine and a phenomenal price.
Yep. So we encourage you to come take a look at those. We also have some other, I think some carryover Paducah pricing on some other brands and models as well. So if you're in the market for a new machine, come see us. We'll get you taken care of.
Yep.
Beautiful fabric. We've gotten in so many fabrics since I've been gone. I think you would love to see those as well. Come in and we will get you taken care of.
Absolutely. We do have some beautiful fabrics. And I haven't even seen them all. So
yeah, I haven't. I definitely haven't. So anyway, we encourage you to come in. We're going to start, we actually brought back our end of the month, end of the bulk sale, but I think we were kind of late getting the word out. So that will come up again the end of June. And
the end of May.
And the end of May. I forgot about May.
Yeah, we just got into May.
Life goes on. Okay, so anything else we can think of?
Well, I think right now we probably need to let everybody go back to sewing.
Yeah.
And remember, take time every day to sew something.
Absolutely. Good to see y'all. Have a great week.
Bye, everybody.